Level playing field in online education. In the online environment, learners have a certain measure of anonymity. Discriminating factors such as age, dress, physical appearance, disabilities, race, and gender are largely absent. Instead, the focus of attention is clearly on the content of the discussion and the individual's ability to respond and contribute thoughtfully and intelligently to the material at hand. Access to resources. It is easy to include distinguished guest experts or students from other institutions in an online class. Furthermore, today's students have access to resources and materials that may be physically located anywhere in the world. An instructor can compile a resource section online with links to scholarly articles, institutions, and other materials relevant to the course topic for students to access for research, extension, or in depth analysis of course content material. Creative teaching. The literature of adult education supports the use of interactive learning environments as contributing to self direction and critical thinking. Some educators have made great strides in applying these concepts to their on ground teaching. However, many classes still exist which are based on lectures and rote memorization of material. The nature of the semi autonomous and self directed world of the virtual classroom makes innovative and creative approaches to instruction even more important. In the online environment, the facilitator and student collaborate to create a dynamic learning experience. The facilitator and student collaborate to create a dynamic learning experience. The realization of a shift in technology creates the hope that those who move into the new technology will also leave behind bad habits as they adopt this new paradigm of teaching. As educators transform their courses to take full advantage of the online format, they must reflect on their course objectives and teaching styles. Many of the qualities that make a successful online facilitator are also tremendously effective in the traditional classroom. Weakness of online learning. While online programs have significant strengths and offer unprecedented accessibility to quality education, there are weaknesses inherent in the use of this medium that can pose potential threats to the success of any online program. These problems fall into six main categories. Technology. Equity and accessibility to technology. Before any online program can hope to succeed, it must have students who are able to logistic reasons will exclude otherwise eligible students from the course. This is a significant issue in rural and lower socioeconomic neighborhoods. Furthermore, speaking from an administrative point of view, if students cannot afford the technology the institution employs, they are lost as customers. As far as internet accessibility is concerned, it is not universal, and in some areas of the United States and other countries, internet access poses a significant cost to the user. Some users pay a fixed monthly rate for their internet connection, while others are charged for the time they spend online. If the participants' time online is limited by the amount of internet access they can afford, then instruction and participation in the online program will not be equitable for all students in the course. Computer literacy. Both students and facilitators must possess a minimum level of computer knowledge in order to function successfully in an online environment. For example, they must be able to use a variety of search engines and be comfortable navigating on the World Wide Web, as well as the familiar with newsgroups, FTP procedures, and email. If they do not possess these technology tools, they will not succeed in an online program. A student or faculty member who cannot function on the system will drag the entire program down. Limitations of technology. User friendly and reliable technology is critical to a successful online program. However, even the most sophisticated technology is not 100% reliable. Unfortunately, it is not a question of the of if the equipment used in an online program will fail. But when everything is running smoothly, technology is intended to be low profile and is used tool in the learning process. However, breakdowns can occur at any point along the system. For example, the server which hosts the program could crash and cut all participants off from the class. A participant may access the class through a network computer, which could go down. Individual PCs can have numerous problems which could limit students' access. Finally, the internet connection could fail, or the institution hosting the connection could become bogged down with users and either slow down or fail altogether. In situations like these, the technology is neither seamless or nor reliable, and it can detract from the learning experience.